Your Tesla is locked now. Sentry mode activated.
Hey y'all, welcome back to SheFast. Today's video, we're gonna be installing these illuminated door seals. These were sent to us by our friends at Hansshow. Shout out to Hansshow. Make sure you watch to the end because if you like them and you wanna get your own, the link is in the description below. And of course, you can use our discount code SheFast to get 20% off. So before we jump into the install, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. All right, y'all, so I got everything laid out on the table for you guys. Starting, of course, with the most obvious is gonna be the illuminated door seals. 2 for the front and 2 for the back. In addition to the door seals, you also get an installation kit. This is gonna be everything that you need to install your door seals. It's gonna come with some instructions. You're also going to get some spare batteries. Now keep in mind, these already come with batteries installed. So it's a really nice touch that Hansshow is gonna send an extra set. We have some trim removal tools. And lastly, you have a spare parts pack, extra magnet, extra double side tape, little things like that. All right, so that's everything that comes in the box. Now let's go ahead and get them installed. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, so I pulled back this rubber seal here. So the way that this thing works, it's obviously battery operated, but it works using this magnet. There you go. When there's no magnet there, that means the door is open, so it's lit up. But if your door was closed, the magnet would be there, so it would not be lit. All right, so I'm gonna start by removing this piece. I'm just gonna use this trim removal tool to get up underneath it, like so. And then you can just pull it right off and then try to get all this off. All right, y'all. So as you can see, we got everything cleaned off. Now I will open up the installation kit. All right, this is gonna come with some adhesion promoter. All right, so I'm gonna just wipe this along here and let it dry. So this is going in here just like this. So let's go ahead and peel off the red paper backing. 1, 3. All right, get those peeled off. And we're gonna go ahead and insert this little piece here and install. And once you get it flush, you're going to press down where those 3 pieces of adhesive were. This magnet is going to end up over here, but on the underside of the door. That way, when you close the door, it turns it off, and when you open the door, it turns it on. All right, so now you're going to take one of these, you're going to peel one off. And you're gonna put it adhesive side up around this here. Like so. This is gonna be used as your guide so you know where to put the magnet. Now that we have this piece here, we're gonna go ahead and replace this rubber seal. All right, once you got that rubber seal pressed back in, you're gonna close the door. That's gonna stick this cotton piece to the bottom of the door. Okay, close the door. And now open the door. So as y'all can see, the round piece that we just put is not there anymore. And if we look underneath the car, there it is. Y'all see it? So now what we're gonna do is take this magnet from here. It's just kind of stuck on here with a piece of tape. So you can just pull this little magnet up. So what we're doing is we're sticking this magnet underneath the car right into where that circle is. No, this is where we're going. So I'm gonna peel this tape off right in here, like so. And once you get that magnet in there, you're going to peel off this black piece because you don't need it anymore. So you can just peel that off. And last but not least, you have this that came in the box. This is 4 pieces of just clear adhesive. You're going to peel one of those off and you're going to place it over the magnet. And this is going to keep your magnet adhered to the door. So now we're going to test it out by closing and reopening the door. When we open the door back up, we should now be illuminated. And there she is. There she is. She's lit up. That's perfect. The last thing that we need to do is just peel the plastic layer off. And peel it. That's it. All set, y'all. Now we're gonna move on to the back seat. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull back this rubber seal. And I'm gonna use this to get up underneath here. And just pop it off. It pops right out. There was a little bit of adhesive left back here, but it was super easy to get off. So I was able to get that off without using any lubricant or anything like that. I was able to just pull it right off. And just like before, I used plain rubbing alcohol to clean this area and the area underneath the door. So now we are ready to go ahead and install the door sill. So I'm going to start by removing the backing. And I'm going to install. Place it in there, get it lined up, and then press it down. Once you get it nice and firm, you're gonna go ahead and put your seal back on. And now we're going to grab one of these and place it adhesive side up. Like that. And then we're going to close the door. Reopen the door. Put this right up in there. Like that. Like that. Then you pull this off. And apply one of these clear adhesive strips. So now when we close the door and open it, we should be lit, and we are. So we can go ahead and remove this adhesive. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Very quick, very simple, very cute. And if you like these illuminated door seals, you can get your very own by clicking the link in our description. And don't forget to use discount code SHEFAST so you can get 20% off. Once again, shout out to our friends over at Hansshow for sending these out to us. Greatly appreciate it. Make sure y'all give us a thumbs up on this video. Click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified next time we post a new video. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks for your support. See y'all in the next video.